Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use your Zelle app with debit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you need to do is simply download the Zelle app. Once you have downloaded it, you need to simply tap it open, and once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply tap on the option called Get Started. Once you tap on Get Started, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply type in your mobile phone number, which is US based, or you can also enroll using your email. After doing this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can simply find your bank. So to find your bank, simply tap on Where do you bank? So here you need to type in your bank's name and you need to simply tap into it. So as my account is in Bank of America, I'm gonna choose it and tap on Go to your banking app. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to now simply type in the debit card number, your first name, your last name, the expiration date, and your CVV. After this is done, you can use your Zelle app with debit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.